Hello friends! In this video you'll learn about the essential tools you'll need to start weaving any paper vine project. This information will be helpful for anyone interested in paper vine weaving. My name is Elena and you are watching the Weaving channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. Here are the tools you'll need. Cutters. You'll need plant or wire cutters to cut paper vine rods at a specific sharp angles and in hard-to-reach places during weaving. These cutters have small sharp blades that allow you to cut rods cleanly without damaging adjacent rods or the overall appearance of your project. Important note: regular scissors won't work for this purpose. Scissors can only cut rods with their middle cutting section, while the tip of scissors cannot cut through paper vine rods effectively. For weaving, we need the sharp tip of the cutter specifically. It's the sharpest part and has the proper angle for precision work. Your cutters should be small in size, have a spring return mechanism, and fit comfortably in your palm. Let me show you some examples of how to use these cutters properly. Polymer glue. Polymer glue is essential for splicing rods, when extending them, and for securing rods or woven elements during your project. For example, let's extend 2 rods using regular glue and 2 rods using polymer glue. We'll wait a moment, then test their strength. Regular glue won't work because it takes too long to dry and bond properly. Polymer glue dries quickly and creates a strong bond, which is crucial for weaving, so you can clearly see the difference. When you are actively weaving, you don't have time to wait for glue to dry in your rods. Additionally, when placing working rods in your weaving, you need to maintain slight tension during placement. Regular glue can't withstand this tension, and extended rods will come apart. Knitting needle or bamboo skewer. For smaller projects, an 8-inch knitting needle with 1/8 of an inch in diameter is sufficient. The knitting needle is an important weaving helper. Use it to create necessary space in your weaving when inserting new rods, to tuck cut rods, ends into the weaving, and more. The smooth surface and blunt end of the needle make it easy to perform these necessary weaving actions. A bamboo skewer can perform the same function as a knitting needle. Clothespins. Clothespins act like extra hands during weaving, when you need to hold something in place, and important that your weaving maintains tension without falling apart. I use clothespins. They are also great for holding glued sections in place while they dry. Be careful with clothespins. They can leave impressions and damage the appearance of your rods or finished project. Pin. A pin is primarily used to mark the first upright in a row, helping you properly close rows and achieve even weaving. You can also use pins for other purposes in your weaving projects. Plastic bag. Moistened rods are wrapped in a plastic bag with the rod's ends sticking out. The bag keeps moisture in the rods throughout your entire weaving session, preventing the moisture from evaporating too quickly. These are all the tools I wanted to share with you in this video. If you'd like to purchase a complete basic toolkit, you'll find the link in the video description.